everyone, welcome back to Arora's kitchen. I hope you all are fine. As you all know, we all are heading towards summer season and ice creams are liked by people of all age groups as a dessert. So today I am going to share with you all a banana ice cream recipe which is only a 3-ingredient dessert. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So what we have to do, first step, we have to peel the banana. And cut the banana into rounded shape like this. Now we have to keep this banana into freezer for 3 to 4 hours. Now we have taken out bananas from freezer and see this is little bit become harder and their color has been changed to little dark. Now we have to put this in a mixie. You have to add milk. Just 1 spoon sugar. Now we have to grind it. See the consistency of the ice cream. I hope you like this recipe, and by this method your ice cream flavor will not change for 6 to 7 days. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.